morning, students. In the last lecture, we have studied the topic halogen derivatives. In this topic, we have already studied its classification. Now we are going to deal with the nomenclature, which is the next part. We have already studied the nomenclature, which is IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In the last year, in 11th standard, we have studied the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes and aromatic compounds. Now we are going to deal with the topic from the halogen derivative, that is IUPAC nomenclature, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. They have given some rules for every organic compound, how we can give it a name from IUPAC. That is IUPAC rules we are using and giving the names to the organic compounds. I have written here some examples. See here IUPAC nomenclature in halogen derivatives. I have taken a first example, that is a CH3Cl. It is a tabulation. This CH3Cl, its common name is methyl chloride. But at IUPAC nomenclature system, the name has been given. The first rule we know that give the numbering of the carbons present in the carbon chain. That is the longest chain of the carbon, which will be the parent name. By using this rule, this CH3Cl, it is a methyl chloride, its common name, but we can give its name as a haloalkane. Halo means any halogen present in the compound, and then what is the basic parent we have to see here. Here there is a methyl group present and it is a halogen atom called as chlorine. Hence the name it is called as haloalkane. Means halo means first chlorine, therefore chloro, and this is the methyl group called as chloromethane is its IUPAC nomenclature. Then I have written here next example, CH3CH2Br. The common name is ethyl bromide. We have to call it as a haloalkane. Means there is a methyl group. This will be the ethyl group, C2H5, means ethyl, you know here. So its name is firstly halo, means bromo, and this is the ethyl group, parent is ethane, bromoethane. The next example I have written here, CH3CHCl CH3. Its common name is isopropyl chloride. Iso means branching. See once again here. I have written this example, CH3, CH, CH3, and this is Cl. It is a isopropyl. Why isopropyl? There is a branching. Branching is there, hence it is a isopropyl. Iso means there is a branching. See here, I have given the example carbon number 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? It is a propane, parent name. I have written here propane. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, or you can write down 1, 2, 3. At position number 2, there is a chlorine. Hence, it is a at 2 number. Hence, it is called as 2-chloropropane. The name of the compound is 2-chloropropane. So, the name of the compound is, common name is isopropyl chloride, and IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. The next example I have written here, CH3 thrisine CBr. I am writing here the example once again in simpler form, that is CH3, CH3, CH3 and Br. You know the 3-degree carbon. This carbon attached with 3 other carbons, 1, 2 and 3, hence it is called as tertiary. It is 3-degree carbon bonded with bromide. Common name is tertiary butyl bromide. Why butyl? 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons called as butyl. Tertiary butyl bromide. IUPAC name We are given the example, that is select the long chain of carbon 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can measure carbons like this or like this or like this. So there are maximum 3 carbon atoms, and the parent is propane. I have written here propane, haloalkane. So 3 carbon, I have given a number, carbon number 1, 2 and 3. I have taken a long chain maximum. So at position number 2 there is a bromine, position number 2 there is a methyl group. So according to IUPAC, bromine B means alphabetical order should be maintained. Hence I am writing the 2 position, there is a bromo first time, then methyl, M came after B. Hence I am writing here 2 bromo, 2 hyphen bromo, comma 2 hyphen methyl propane is the name of the IUPAC name of this compound. Next one, see here, CH2 double bond CHCl, that is alkene, ENE. It is called as vinyl chloride. So this vinyl chloride, we have seen in the first time how we can ask to him as IUPAC, that is haloalkane. So it is a alkane contain 2 carbons, there is double bond, hence it is alkene. Hence the name is, at position number 1 there is a chlorine, it is halogen 1 chloroethene, ENE. I have written here, isn't it? I have written here some another examples, that is CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br. The common name is allyl bromide. It is a alkene. Why alkene? Carbon carbon double bond. So there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2 and 3. The common name is allyl bromide. The IUPAC system, we have to number the carbon 1, 2 and 3. Here there is a double bond. Numbering will be given from the carbon which carries carbon carbon double bond. So carbon number 1, 2, 3. The parent name is propene. Why propene? ENE. Carbon carbon double bond. Hence called as ENE. Common name is propene. It is a parent name, sorry. So 1, 2 and 3, propene double bond. At position number 3, why position number 3? It is carbon number 1, 2, 3. Numbering will be given to the carbon carbon double bond which is the nearest one. Hence 1, 2, 3 propene, and 1, 2, 3 at number 3 carbon there is a bond between bromine and this carbon. Hence 3 bromopropane. 3 bromopropene. It means 3 bromo, it's haloalkene. So name is 3 bromopropene. The next example, CH triple bond CCl. It means there is a triple bond, it is alkyne. So at carbon number 1 and 2, it means the common name is chloroacetylene. So there is a chlorine atom present here. This chlorine atom bonded with this carbon which is a triple bond, hence it is alkyne, hence called as haloalkyne. It means there is a chlorine, chloro, ethylene, ethyne. It is also called as chloroethine or ethylene, THY. Next one example is here there is a benzene ring. It is an aromatic compound. You know, aromatic ring means it is a benzene resembling structure. It is bonded with CH2Cl. It is a side chain. At this position, the common name is benzyl chloride. But there is a benzene ring. It is called as phen. Phen means benzene. Benzene is also called as phenyl ring. So there is a chlorine atom present called as haloarine. Just we have seen here haloalkene, haloalkyne, arene. So there is a CH to Cl bonded with this benzyl, so it is called as benzyl chloride is its common name, but IUPAC name you can see. First is there is a halogen atom present, chlorine, chloro, phenyl, this is a phen ring called as phenyl, and this is a methylene group, hence called as chlorophenyl methane, isn't it? Next one example I have written here. Here is benzene ring. This is a this is a para position. Ortho, meta, para, meta opposite meta, ortho opposite ortho position. Hence there are two chlorine atoms bonded with this benzene ring. The common name is meta. This is meta position. Meta dichlorobenzene. These are the two chlorine atoms. Meta dichlorobenzene. We can give the numbers to the carbon. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we have given the number like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be going large number, but 1, 2, 3 at 1 and 3 position, there are two chlorine atoms, di means 2, and this is a benzene ring. The IUPAC name is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. So we can take so many examples for IUPAC nomenclature in halogen derivatives. There are haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarenes are present. We can write there some examples and you try at home so many examples and give the numbering. At when we are going to visit once again, then we can discuss about the halogen derivatives. Thank you so much.